Dominic, thank you so much for joining us today.
Oh, hey, it's a pleasure.
Absolutely,
Great to see
absolutely. Fantastic setting, by the way.
Thank you.
What you have set up, it's really impressive. Really to demonstrate how the whole production lines in the setup virtually, but also remotely with Waldorf.
Yeah,
it's impressive. It's really impressive.
It's a colorful booth this year, that's for sure.
Yeah, it's spacious, and you feel the vibe.
Yes.
You really feel the positive vibe.
Thank you so much.
So, and also thank you so much for endorsing the KINEXON OS, and also make us, I would say, in a position to really provide even more value to what SAP DMC is already providing to our joint end customers. So could you further articulate why, in fact, you thought that KINEXON could be an added value for SAP overall?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, first of all, the pleasure is all mine because SAP really lives off its ecosystem, right? I mean, we are obviously very well known as an ERP provider and as an ERP company, but really what we are showing here at Hannover and what we are a market leader in is the supply chain domain. Yeah. Of course, we always come from an end-to-end process perspective, and what most of our customers are asking us is how can your business applications help us to become more resilient? To build more resiliency into their processes. Now, when we look at resiliency on the shop floor, to me it means a lot, or it has a lot to do with becoming more agile, how I can respond to disruptions in my supply chain. It has to do with automation, right? I want to really increase the productivity on the shop floor. And of course also, let's say, connecting with and collaborating in an ecosystem. And I think all of these apply to us and to our partnership between KINEXON and SAP, because you being a leader in position tracking and really orchestrating not only the hardware side, but especially the operating system side of everything that moves in a factory, whether that's a worker, whether that's an automated guided vehicle, or just a Kanban box. That's the value add you bring with your end-to-end offering, so that we can, for example, completely automate position tracking or even any type of material flow processes in a factory.
Absolutely, and you even forgot to mention one piece, people.
People, of course.
Not only track assets, but also people. And I think that's the part of the collaboration, which is also part of your theme, which is not only connect, which is not only to, I would say, produce more efficiently, but also to optimize collaboration. And I think in that area, it's even more critical in order to really create a more sustainable world, because at the end, that's what we're all trying to aim together. So what are your next steps which you would like when you would talk about the whole design to operate a theme?
I mean, for us, I think there's much more, let's say, that we can leverage of all of these amazing technologies. I mean, we have a few showcases out here around artificial intelligence. So how we leverage the power of AI and really infuse this into every step along the way of our design to operate process. Automation, there's so much more we can automate, and I think even looking at our partnership, there's so many more ideas that our teams are discussing, where we have started now on the shop floor, right, by really automating manufacturing processes, but we certainly can scale this into logistics processes, warehouse operations, maybe even the domains of service operations. So we definitely want to bring these themes of process automation, artificial intelligence into the end-to-end design to operate process.
Okay, well, so thank you so much, Dominic. Very much appreciated, and I wish you a great further event.
Thank you so much. Same to you, Eduard, and I'm so excited to have finally kicked off this partnership.
Absolutely, likewise. Okay, thank you.